And I think I want to just leave everything else. Let's try that. Oh, it doesn't defend my bishop because he takes the pawn. He's going to just move the king out of the way. Man, okay. I don't think I'm very good at this game. Hey guys, today I'm playing a new chess variant called Chess But All at Once. This was created by a small indie team. I believe they have 4 people on their team, but it's pretty interesting. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to actually check it out, play it myself, and make this video. So let's go ahead and jump into a game and I will explain how it works. So it's called Chess But All at Once, and essentially everything is normal except that each turn you're allowed to move every piece on the board one time. So like if I'm going to play e4, I don't have to stop there. I can keep playing. And so I don't really know the strategy of this game yet, but I imagine I would just, let's go ahead and put the f pawn up there, you know, just kind of develop normally. And let's actually castle this way. Maybe we'll play a3. Yeah, let's play g4 and h4. Why not? And maybe I'll move the rook over here. And I think I'll leave these pawns. Let's try that. Oh my. Okay. And I believe, I don't actually remember if you checkmate or if you just have to capture the king. I think you just have to capture the king. This checkmate doesn't really apply like normal because all the pieces can kind of move to get out of the checkmate, I believe. So capturing the king. Okay. So I can take this. Should I? Yeah, I guess we'll take that. I could take that with my queen, but then black could push this pawn and actually take my queen. Yeah, let's not do that. Okay, maybe we need to bring the rook to the center. Let's put the king on b1. I don't really know what the best strategy is. Probably need to save this, or I could... Actually, let's go here. Oh, that's probably a mistake. He can just capture my bishop. I just saw that. Yeah, see, that was not a good move. Let's see. Maybe I'll actually play rook d2 in case I want to triple up. And should I play f5 just to... Oh yeah, f5 would defend my bishop. Let's do that. Okay, great. And I think I want to just leave everything else. Let's try that. Oh, it doesn't defend my bishop because he takes the pawn. He's going to just move the king out of the way. Man, okay. I don't think I'm very good at this game. All right, let's just go here. We'll attack the king. Let's take this. Let's actually... No, see if I bring my rook there. That was actually a bad move. I'm going to lose my queen. He's just going to block and take my queen. Totally didn't think that through. Okay, you know what? Let's just start taking some stuff. How about that? How about that? We'll just take everything. Double up the rooks. And all right, let's see what's... I think I'm losing my queen. Pretty sure. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. Lost a lot of other pieces though. All right. This is not looking good. This is not looking good. Well, I can go here. I can go here. And what do I do with the queen? See, normally this is just checkmate. Normally this is checkmate. But in this game, let me go here so I don't get mated. And maybe... Yeah, we'll just leave that. Yeah, see, in this game, this is not checkmate. I'm going to lose. He's going to just, like, block and take my queen somehow. Or just go on the offensive and checkmate me next move. Wait. Yeah, I can't get rid of that knight, can I? Oh, I could... I was gonna say I could push this pawn, bring my queen back. It just delays. It just delays. It doesn't actually help me. Because I have to get out of this knight check so I can go here. But I'm still losing my queen next move and I can't really do anything, right? Yeah, I'll just do this, but it's not gonna help me. Computer's too strong. But I think I haven't figured out the strategy for this game yet. Yeah, I just lost everything. Okay. All right. Let's try again. Let's try that one more time. Okay, so maybe I should play a little more defensively. Let's just go for a King's Indian setup. We'll see if this is any better. Maybe something like this. Let's see how that turns out. Oh, I could have played b4. Oh well. Okay. Interesting strategy here. Yeah, I'm gonna just kind of play this one slow. Knight h2. Now I'll play b4, f4. Just because I can move everything doesn't mean I should. d4 looks safe enough. And should I double up these or not is the question. No, I think I'll just leave it like this. Okay. Wow. See, this is where it gets really confusing because I mean, what if I just like okay, here's an idea. Here's an idea. What if I just take everything before black has a chance to take everything? Like just everything. No, not that pawn. Let's go there. And oh yeah, let's see how that turns out. Okay, I'm feeling like this is going a little better than last time. I can take this, and that looks pretty safe. I can push this so it's defended. Let's leave those pawns. I can get a fork. Not that it really matters in this game. I don't think forks mean anything. I can go forward. I can defend some things. And should I push these or not? That's the question. This one's going to get captured. This one could also get captured. They both could get captured. I guess I'll push this one. All right, let's see how that turns out. All right, let's get rid of the knight. Let's get rid of the rook. Am I ahead or behind? I'm behind somehow. How did I get behind? No, I have a bunch of pawns. Okay, I'm not that far behind. Let's go. Oh, I don't want to move that because my rook. I really have no idea what to do here. Maybe I will go for this check. I don't know how. How's black gonna get out of that? Let's just leave it like this. Yeah, let's leave it like that. He makes a space for the king, of course. Okay. Let's push this. That's a check. Let's push this. Let's push this. Let's... Where's the king gonna run to? Probably this would be good, and then this. I think the queen's in a great spot, actually. Wait, is it my turn? Did I just... I'm sitting here. Okay. All right. Well, apparently, that's how you win. You just take the king. You don't have to. That's embarrassing. All right. Anyway, that was fun. If you guys want to check this game out, I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Right now, it's early stages of development. They're planning on adding a bunch of features like, you know, PvP and ranking system, and I'm not sure what else is on the plan, but they want to see what the interest is first. So if you guys think this is fun and you want to, you know, support them, check it out. Links below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, take care.